This video is a Sam to Statler video. You can see down at the bottom of my screen I'm in standalone mode in CS7. I have this pattern whirlpool imported. First thing I'm going to do is right click on the pattern, view the properties. This pattern is 3.38. I want this to be 12. Then I click up in the width and it changes the width to match the height because freeze aspect ratio is on. Now I will save and close this. Right click on the pattern, add to the project. Now I go to my project right there, left click. The pattern is in the project. If I want to check the pattern, I'll click on view properties. There it comes up. It's set at 12 inches high and 11.83 wide. Save and close. I'm going to do this in repeat patterns, and then I will take this project to the Statler and import it. Click on repeat patterns. Click a point using the head or the mouse. I'll just click a point. There's my pattern. Now I have my setup box over here. It says the height is 12. Okay, it is what I want. Down in the set total size box, I will highlight the width, change it to 60. There I have my width set at 60. Go down into my height box. The quilt is 60 inches long. It's a square quilt, 60 by 60. Enter 60. Then when I click back up here, it's going to put all of the rows and repeats on the screen. Now my pattern is set up. Here's my project. This is now all set up. I do not need to do anything with the spacing. It looks good the way it is. I will simply save this to my USB drive, take it to the Statler, and import it. I'm in project here. Now I have my save icon. Click on save icon. I will go to the H drive. I will find my Sam to Statler folder. Sam to Statler projects. Make sure I'm in that. I know I'm in it now because it says USB Sam to Statler project. I need to name this project. I give the name of the customer, the pattern and the date that I do this. I'll save it, saving it to the USB drive. Now I'm finished. I will take it to the Statler and import the project. I have Creative Studio 7 up and running. Now I will go to the drive where I have the SAM to Statler project, and I will import that project. Go to File, go to Open Project. Here I have I've got two USB drives in there. I'm going to click on this one and SAM to Statler projects. Open that. Here I have Shirley's Quilt Whirlpools 7 13 20 22. I'm going to open that, and there it is on my screen in CS7. So what I would do, I have it on the screen, but now I need to get it properly located on the quilt. I have moved the machine to the upper left corner of the quilt. There's the upper left corner of the quilt. We say, well, how in the world are you going to get this thing in position, this pattern? One thing I can do is select this pattern, and then I can right click and tell it to relocate, shift all to one point. You say, well, what are you going to use? I'm going to this little box here, this little square. Put the mouse right in that corner. Left click. Then when you click yes, when the machine head is at the same point on the quilt, no to cancel. Click yes. There, everything is in the proper location. The quilt is located in the upper left corner. That is how you take a SAM project to your Statler.